Fight back against the signs of aging with InstaNatural's Age-Defying Retinol Serum. Over time, both men and women will start to develop an aged appearance from the following signs: deep wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, sun damage and hyperpigmentation. InstaNatural Age-Defying Retinol Serum has an abundance of antioxidants and nutrients that will help your face feel firm, youthful and renewed. It is packed with 2.5% of retinol to protect against free radical damage, which helps reverse the appearance of sun damage and the telltale signs of aging. Also contains powerful nourishing elements that trap moisture to prevent future loss, so you can enjoy a more youthful appearance with firmer, plumper skin. It can be worn under makeup and is also friendly to sensitive skin for daily use, day or night. InstaNatural's Age-Defying Retinol Serum is produced in small batches to ensure quality and freshness. Manufacturer guarantee: InstaNatural is proud to back their products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee policy, no matter where you buy the products. If you are not completely happy with your purchase, please contact InstaNatural for a refund, no questions asked. Defend against aging. This retinol serum is specifically formulated to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. With powerful vitamin C, our serum helps repair skin damage and aging on the body, face, and neck, revealing youthful skin all over. For smooth and hydrated skin, our retinol serum contains an extremely effective, soothing medley of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and argan oil to help maintain long-lasting hydration. Hydration is the key to maintaining and achieving youthful-looking skin that feels clean, renewed and moisturized. You'll see results that bring your skincare routine to the next level. Clear skin: with this retinol serum, don't worry about dead skin cells causing your skin to appear blemished or troubled. This serum works to reduce under-eye puffiness, slough, dulling skin cells already present on the skin and in your pores, and also prevent them from accumulating in the future, leaving you with clean skin. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.